Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. You can duplicate the look of tuberose flowers in your garden with many other small white flowers, but no other bloom has quite the same wonderful perfume, although some compare the scent of gardenias. You must have all understood what we are going to talk about today. Today, let us know about how to get more tuberose flowers in our garden. We have the both kind of tuberose flowers. Those are the double petal and the single petal. These plants that you are seeing are not the new plants, they are the old plants only. My mom had just pruned them in March 1. Choose a planting location featuring soil with good drainage in a sunny location. My mom has planted them in 6 inches and 8 inches pot. Okay, now let me tell you about a fertilizer which will help your plant bloom more. You all might know that this is the mustard seed. Instead of mustard seed, you can also use the mustard cake. This is nothing more than dry banana peel soaked in water. First, crush the mustard seed and soak them in water. Let the banana peel fertilizer also soak with it. So after you have done mixing them, wait for 5 to 7 days and then dilute with water and then easily give it to your plants. Even though this is the rainy season and we shouldn't give any liquid fertilizer to our plants, but to get good quality and good quantity of flowers, this much fertilizer is okay for all plants. Instead of this liquid fertilizer, you can just crush the mustard seeds and add it with the dry banana peel and give it to your plant. Now let me tell you another plant tip. It is not very difficult. Just cut the side leaves like this. This helps the plant to become healthy and get more flowerings. Although tuberoses need full sun to reach their blossoming potential, they don't like to bake in parched soil. So even in a sunny area, try to keep your tuberoses moist most of the time. And as tuberoses are a heavy feeder, then apply this fertilizer every 15-day interval. So nothing much, only if you take these steps, then you will get a lot of flowers from your tuberose plant. By the way, do you know we have another channel? Yes, it is Tani Chhoti. In that channel, we try to upload every moment of our life where we enjoy. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.